Okay, so let's start now. Let me share once again. Please mute from your side, guys. Please mute. Other people gets disturbed. Try to understand. Every time I keep on asking, please mute, please mute. Please try to understand. Please mute from your side. Other people get disturbed. When I ask, then only unmute. I also get disturbed. My focus get disturbed. Sometimes I'm getting disturbed due to this. So please mute from your side. Okay, good. So, okay, C and DT, just we have understood character data type, numeric data type, date data type, data type, right? These are the important non-numeric data types. Now, user defined data types. This can be important question. Okay, this can be important question. So I'm just marking this as a important. However, it's not frequently. I have never come across such question, but it means my gut feeling is telling that this can be important question with my experience and all. What are the different user defined data types? So we have the data element, structure, and table types, right? Very frequently we use this one, data element, structure, and table type. And here a structure is used in order to define the work area and internal table. For both purpose you can use, right? For both purpose, internal table you can assign with the help of a structure as well. Please mute from your side. Oh my God. Okay. Actually, I have to learn how to mute everybody from here. I don't know. I'm very new to Zoom, but I like it.
I think,
You
Pankaj, I
know?
think when you schedule a meeting, there is an
Mm.
option that on joining everyone should be muted.
Okay, is it?
There is a
Okay.
option.
Okay.
Sometimes
Okay.
people join and they
Okay.
forgot
Okay.
to mute their mic.
Yes, yes, yes. I will check that one. I will check today. I will explore that part. I don't know where to do that. I will explore. Fine. Okay, so here user defined data type. These are the data element, structure, and table types. A structure is used in order to work area, in order to define the work area and internal table, right? And then the table type also, directly with the help of table type we can define the internal table, correct? And again this table type can be defined with the help of a structure. So these all are related almost, right? When we are defining the structure, then we use the data element to define their fields, right? And when we define the table types, then we use the structure as a line type. Okay, so maybe we can give this symbol also, because these all are related with each other. So let me do like this. Fine. Okay, let's not more focus on that. Come to here. System variable, this can be important question, very important question. Let me mark as a VI. Yes, this is very important question. Remember this one. What are the different system variables you have? So size sub RC, right? Side datum, size sub RC means you know already that if anything is going to be successful, it's going to set the size sub RC value as a 0. Side datum, if you want to get the current date value, then it's going to give you the side datum. Side tab x, side index, current time, right? Side fd pause, the current position of the character or the string which you are searching. Side zone low, the current time zone, right? So these are the different uh, system variables. Okay, and if you want to see all the system variable, what are the structures where you can see, what is the structure where you can see the all the system variables name? So that structure name is nothing but syst. You can go into se11, type syst over there under the structure or table, anything is fine. Anywhere just type syst and click on the display button, you will be able to see all the system variable. Good. Now please mute from your side. What are the important frequently used string operation in ABAP, right? These are very important. Not frequently asked question, just remember this one. Concatenation, replace, search, split, offset, shift, string length, and condense. There are so many, but generally we use this one, right? In order to understand each one in detail, go through the YouTube videos there I have explained. What are the frequently used character operation in ABAP, right? Contains only, from, cn contains not only from, ca contains any from, contains not any from, contains a string. Again, this is, a little tricky. Try to understand from there. I'm going to, I don't have time over here. We are, uh, I wanted to explain it over here. Let me explain a little bit over here so that if you don't know, you will be able to understand. Okay. So contains only means, suppose if we're going to write if lv underscore test co, and co means contains only from, and here in single quotes if you write a b c d, a b c d. So the meaning of this means, here whatever the string you have, right? Here let's suppose your string is something like uh, uh, A, B, 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 C, C, something like that. So here you can see these all string are made up of the characters from A, B, C, D, right? So here 2 times A, this A is here, right? The 2 times B is here B is there, here 2 times C is there, here C is there. So here whatever the characters, the set of characters you have, this is containing from this set of characters, right? Only from here, not anything extra from here. So this condition is going to be true, right? And your control will flow under this if statement. It will go inside the if statement. Okay. But if you give over here D, right? Case sensitive, remember this is the case sensitive. Okay, so if you give double D over here, will it go inside the if statement or not? Just write here in the chat box quickly, fast. Will it go here in the concept which I have made you understand over here? Very good. Yes, it will go. That is what we have learned over here, right? It will go inside. But if you write over here EE, will it go inside the, will it go inside if or not? Just write over here fast. No. Very good, Ramesh. Very good. Very good, Anil. So it will not go, right? Because this E is not containing from D, right? Not containing from D. But if you write CN, CN is just opposite of CO. CN is just opposite of CO. So if you write the CN, it will go inside the if statement, because here E is not from here. So these all characters is not containing only from A, B, C, D, right? One E is extra, which is containing from somewhere else, right? This is extra. So that's the meaning of CO and CN. Similarly, just try to understand over here. And if you want to understand in more detail, go through the video, because here we are crossing the time. We have another 15 minutes where we are going to schedule the interview quickly, and you have to take the interview, right? Good. So let's go and see the another slides. What is internal table? You know already. Very important question, guys. Very, very important question. What is internal tables? It is nothing but temporary table which is created within the program session to hold the multiple records during runtime, right? So what is the important keyword over here? Temporary table. Remember this, these are the keyword. You must use this keyword in order to answer the question of your interviewer. He will get impressed. You must have to use the keyword temporary table, which is created within the program session, right? Within the program session, keyword to hold the multiple records during runtime. So these are the keyword you have to use in order to give the answer. As soon as program execution is finished, internal table memory area gets released, and hence content of it gets destroyed. So here this is the keyword. Contents of it also, content of it also gets destroyed when the program execution is finished. Okay, so internal table memory, internal temporary area gets released. So here everything is keyword, actually everything is important over, it gets released. This is also important, right? As soon as the program execution is finished. So these all are important over here, right? Here you can observe here, these all are important, correct? Okay, so now here, what is the difference between internal table versus database table? Very, very important question, very frequently asked question. You must have to remember this one. Internal table, it's a temporary, it's a get stored in temporary memory during the runtime session of the program. Internal table, just we learned. DB table, it stores the content in permanent memory, right? It's get stored permanently, correct? Not only during the program session. That's the important difference. Second, as soon as program session gets over, automatically content of the internal table gets deleted. Just what we have learned. This is not the case of the DB table, right? Even after session termination or completion of DB, always exists. Database table always is going to be there. Cannot be created through AC11, right? It cannot be created through the data dictionary. DD table can be created through AC11, correct? Three different types of internal table: a standard internal table, sorted internal table, and hashed internal table. Here you have the transparent table, pool table, and cluster table. Here here you don't have any technical settings, right? Because no physical data is stored in the table, so why technical settings is required, right? Not required. Here you have the technical settings in the DB table. Okay, remember this. Okay. 69, what is the internal table and what are its type? Internal table, we are having the standard internal table, right? And it is going to support the operation append, insert, read, sort, modify, and delete. Then you have the sorted internal table, right? Sorted internal table, you can it supports the here it supports here in this standard internal table, you can use these are the operation, right? In the sorted internal table, all these operations are not possible. However, you know, you can use append at last, you can use, but again it depends, right? It keeps on the sequence. If it is not there in the sequence, it will go into dump. Okay, so here it supports the operation whatever we have mentioned over here. This insert also, append also, read also, sort already sorted, right? So not required. Modify and delete, everything index based operation is supported by both the sorted table and internal table, but here you have to be careful. Okay, if it is at the proper place, then only it's going to get executed, otherwise it will go into dump. Okay. Hash table does not support the index based operation. What are the index based operation? These are append, right? Insert, read, these all are the index based operation. Okay, so hash table does not support the index based operation. Okay, this will not be supported. See here, I have crossed it, right? This is the meaning of cross. This is crossed. It does not support. It support this and this. Index based operation is supported by sorted table. So all these are supported here also. You can write it over here in sorted internal table. There is no problem, but you have to be careful. What need to be taken care? The care need to be taken that it should be at the correct place. The operation which you are forcing over there, it should be at the correct place. Otherwise, it will give you the dump. You can just try. Okay, or go through that video there. I have explained in detail with the example. This is there free on the YouTube. Not all the videos free, but 18 videos there are free. Okay, fine. Here uh, internal table we have seen. Now what is the difference between refresh, clear, and free? Again, VVI question, very frequently asked. Refresh, clear, and free, what is the difference between? Refresh, it will erase the content. Clear, it will erase the first content and extra content, right? Free, it will erase the value plus extra content plus initial consent. What are these? Just go and learn from there. Okay, or if you already know, it's very good. So these are the difference between, you know, main difference between a refresh, clear, and a free. Once again, I'm going to read it. Refresh can be used for internal table, right? Clear can be used for work area and internal table both, right? And free can be used free the object memory, right? Free can be used. This is generally we use in the oops concept for freeing the object. Okay, clear can be used for, you know, work area and internal table both. Refresh can be used only for internal table. And in terms of memory management, these are the difference. It will erase the content, right? It will erase the content, the complete content it will just erase. Clear, it will erase the first content and extra content. What is this extra content? These are the extra content. Okay, these are the extra content. Please go through there. I have explained in very much detail. Here we have lack of time, so I'm not able to explain. And here this free, it will erase everything. Okay, it will erase everything, it will free everything. So here, this is our 70 slides. Until here, let's stop over here, and now let's go to the another process, and we will start, you know, interview process. And let me do one thing quickly. I'm going to delete all the responses. Just fill up this form quickly, and we'll schedule the interview, and you guys are going to take the interview of each other in order to be more competent. So be interactive, take participation, and unlock the opportunity towards being the valuable. Okay, so here I'm going to copy this one, short this, copy this, and come to the Zoom and share in the chat box. Quickly go and fill over here, and in 2 minutes we will schedule the interview with each other. Okay, because these particular things I have to do at this particular point of time, because I don't know who is going to join. Many people is having their own criteria, their own work, right? So I have to do it over here. Otherwise I could have done in advance this particular form fill up. So fast, fill it fast. What's it not accepting? Anyone also is facing some issue?
No, it says that it is not working.
Just a second. Oh, okay, let me enable this. Yes, let me first delete all responses. Just wait for a while. Just wait for a while. Yeah, I have enabled now, and now let me again share the new one. Copy this and let me share once again over here. So please fill once again. Please fill once again. Sorry for that. Just a second. Let me share with everyone. Yeah, please fill once again. Yes, good.
What happened, boss?
Yeah, after filling, just right over here. Done, done, done. Prakash, still you are facing the issue, Prakash?
Yeah, there is no fields. Yeah.
No fields, no
Yeah, click on
questions.
that link.
But
Let's
other
see.
people,
You click on.
how other people are able to filling?
Yeah, so many are not. So many have done nothing.
Just a second. And just a second. Give me a second. I'm just trying to understand what's going wrong over here. Hmm, these are the questions. Okay. Yeah, nothing I'm getting. Okay. Just bear with me for 2 seconds. I'm going to quickly create a form. On title form, I require your name. Write here your name. Write your name. This should be the short answer. Then you have to write your number of year of experience. So just you write 1, 2, 3, or 4 like that, year of experience. And again, you have to write your mobile number so that people can call you. And I require your email ID as well in order to communicate if anything important. And now this is the required mobile number is going to be required. Year of experience is also going to be required, and the name, of course, will be required. And here, interviewer. So now go here and try this time once again. It happens, nothing to worry. press enter, and now have you received? Just I have sent you to everyone. I have sent you to everyone now over here. Just fill up the form. This time there should not be any problem. I wanted to reuse the same form, but unfortunately not. I will keep it ready now onwards, so you will not face any issue. Are you facing again some issue? Is it? Yes, not done. Jayant is done. And just right over here, done. Once you do it, recent forms. Okay, good, good, very good, very good, very good. Just quickly fill up the form, guys. Fill up the form fast. So you have another 1 minute, and after that, I will just uh, switch off of getting the responses. Have everyone done? We are here having 14 people at this particular point of time. I'm just waiting all of you to, you know, uh, complete it. So if you are here, just fill the form so that you can take participation in the interview. Or if you have some important work or something like very important, you can just leave it because it's going to be 8:30. Another 10 to 15 minutes will be required. If you can manage, just be over here and do it fast. Fill up the form and do it fast. I got only the 9 responses till now. Any one of you facing any issue? Here we are having 14. Here we are having 14 people. Any one of you is facing any issue, just let me know if you are facing any issue so that I will be able to help you. Okay, fine. Let's stop here. Let's stop here. I'm going to uh, disable the responses or let it be open. Maybe some people is getting some more time, but whatever we have the data at this particular point of time, let's go and schedule quickly. So create a new worksheet, and now it will come, and we have this one, this information. Copy this and I will paste it over here. Let's sort it. Good. So here's Jayant is 12, that's fine. 16, 12, 10, 10, 10, 10, this is okay. Now here Ramesh we are having. So Anil, Om Prakash, you start taking interview of Ramesh, please. And then we have the Suraj over here. Elfan, please start taking interview of Suraj. And number of Suraj is here. You can just see here that this is the number, and this is the number from India 9189. So plus 91 is the country key code. You can connect with a WhatsApp or you can directly call. So start doing this one. Okay. And here Anil Kumar take the interview of Sonali. 6 years they can take. There is no issue. So Anil, you start taking interview of Sonali over here. Sonali phone number is here. Just get it from here. And Harkesh can take the interview of Vishal. So Harkesh, please take the interview of Vishal here. So Ramesh, Suraj, Vishal, Saloni, 4 is here. We are total having here 8, right? Jayant, we have the Jayant. So Ramesh, Ramesh is done. Just let me mark it. Suraj is also done. Vishal is also done. You people start taking whoever got assigned. Saloni, and we have the Jayant. Okay, I will take the interview of Jayant. Good. So I'm going to call to Jayant. I'm going on mute and I'm going to call to Jayant. I will take the interview for Jayant, and you people just do it. And after 15 minutes, just we will meet for 1 or 2 minutes and we will stop the session. So 15 minutes interview is going to be sufficient for 2 days. We are running out of time. So let's meet after 15 minutes after completion of interview.
Hey, Pankaj, hello?
Yeah, hello. You are able to hear me? Saloni, Om Prakash, Harkesh, Vishal. Am I audible to you people? Hello.
Yeah, Pankaj, hear you.
Okay. Good. Very good. So I think this will again get disconnected, and then it will we will be just discontinue the session. If it is over, we will meet tomorrow with the slide number 70 to 90. 20 slides we have to go through. You have to go through. Okay. Now, Saloni, tell your experience. Uh, did you feel something from this session that it's going to help you got something like for which you are looking for, so you can unmute your mic, Saloni, and just tell your experience of the interview. Saloni, you are there? Okay, I think she's not there. No issue. We have